Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Toyota Supra. The Toyota Supra features a futuristic style sports coupe. It has an easy-to-drive nature and powerful engine. The Supra has acquired a reputation for excellent reliability. If you are nostalgic, then this is the perfect find for you. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, active suspension system, power windows, electronic stability control, security system, rear window defroster, fog lights, trip computer, heated front seats, overhead console, panic alarm, tachometer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.